How to link other devices on Signal. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily link other devices on your Signal account. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The first thing you want to do is open up your Signal and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you land on your chat section, you will see your profile icon on the top left corner. All you have to do is simply tap on it to open up your menu section. And now here you'll find an option for linked devices. So just tap on linked devices to see all of your linked devices on your account. And if you have your device or your account connected to other device, it will be shown right here. Now, if you want to link a new device, you'll have to tap on link a new device and you'll have to confirm to enter your PIN. I'm just going to enter my biometrics here and now tap on allow access. Now, once you do that, once you allow access to your camera, all you have to do is simply scan the code on your other device and then it will automatically be linked on your new device. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one.